Welcome, welcome family. Betty here with Carblessly Delicious, where you can find weekly uploads of healthy, low-carb, and keto-friendly recipes. Right here on Carblessly Delicious, we are growing as a community, and I am so excited and want to thank you all. We have reached the halfway milestone of 500 plus subscribers, and we are in full blast in 2022 to go all the way to 1,000 subscribers and more. So I will continue to provide the content to inspire you to eat healthy and to live your best life as we continue to grow and continue to explore healthy ways to transform the foods that we love most. And remember, don't let no one dictate your carbs. You are in control of your health. And healthy nutrition begins where? Right here in your very own kitchens. So follow me, and if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? You are your best investment. So invest today by clicking that subscribe button, turning on the notification bell so that you can be notified every time there's healthy recipes being uploaded like this. Yes, I look forward to seeing you.